Hi, Pippas here. Just a quick video to let you know about the community race that's happening today. So it's going to be starting at 8 p.m. tonight. I just wanted to show you how to find it and what you need to do, and let you know the password as well. So if you go into iRacing, go onto your home screen, and what we're looking for on the left-hand side is a hosted session. So you click on that, and then you'll be presented with all the various hosted sessions that people are doing. If you were to look right now, you wouldn't see mine, because it'll only become visible, I think, at 8 p.m. But I thought I'd just quickly talk you through it, just so you can see what the race format is. So we're racing the Speckford Racer around Navarra, the speed circuit. So it's the quick one. So you don't have the infield. So it should make for some good drafting and some good racing, hopefully. It's partly cloudy, 78 degrees, no rain, hardly any wind. And it's, I guess, May the 15th is the date that it's set the weather for, and it's static, so it's not going to change. It's going to start at 8 p.m, but I'm running it for 2 hours, and we're going to have a maximum of 60 people, so it is first come, first served. But what we're going to do, that first hour is practice. So we'll have an hour, and then we'll have another 25 minutes of practice, and then we'll have 10 minutes of qualifying, and then the race is 25 minutes. So rather than it just being 25, 10, 25, I've put an extra hour in just to give everyone a chance to get in, do some practice, let me sort out my live stream, fix any problems that we might come across, just to give, so it's not all a big rush. Fast repairs unlimited if you have an accident, although I've turned off damage. So what I don't want is someone to get damaged in the first quarter and then be out. I think as long as we're sensible, then it would be good if people can keep going. That's the plan anyway. Maximum incidents, though, if you do have lots of incidents, you will get disqualified. So we don't want people bashing around. So people will get disqualified if they're having lots and lots of incidents. Standing start, nothing else really to talk about here, I don't think. You can use whatever driving aid you want to. There's no limit on iRating and no limit on the rookie on license range. So anyone that wants to race can, and it's a fixed setup. So all you'll be able to fiddle around with, I guess, is brake balance, and that's it. So that's all you need to do. You need a password, and I'll tell you what the password is. Let's just check. Make sure I get the right password. So the password is PitBits986. So that's the password if you're asked for one. That's it. Nothing else to say, really. So I'd really encourage people to get in early. We're doing it as a hosted race rather than a league. It's just the simplest way of doing it. But if this is successful and people enjoy it, then maybe we'll do more of them and more often, and maybe we'll do them at different times of the day to cater for our American and Australian friends who also watch the channel. But that's it. Okay, well, hopefully I'll see you there. We can have a good fun race. Not take it too seriously, but obviously I'll be going for the win. I'm sure there'll be some other quick guys that will probably lead the field. But anyway, hopefully it'll be fun. I'll see you there, and let's go racing.